Cousins, welcome back to the channel. Hey y'all. Hey cousins, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're still talking fashion, honey, but we're talking accessories, baby. Yes, accessorizing, but with your frames. That's right, prescription glasses. So I did a massive haul with our cousins at Zeelool or Zeelool. I think that's how I'm pronouncing their name, y'all. And I actually ordered 2 full boxes of glasses. So I have about 20 pair of glasses that we're going to go through. And you guys can be able to match them with your outfits, honey. And you can look cute in your outfits, all right? So to all of my cousins who are new here on this channel, honey, my name is Shauna T, and we talk about all things plus size fashion, Jesus, and everything in between, and just living life over 40 to the fullest, cousins. So do me a couple, 2, 3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below. All right, cousins, so we are into our first pair of glasses. Okay, now, one thing that I love about Zeelool is that you can go to your eye doctor, get your prescription, and you can go in and put your prescription in online on their site. And now they have expedited shipping, so you can get your glasses within a week or a couple of days, which I love that update that they did because it didn't used to be like that when they first came out, okay? So these are the first pair of glasses. These are these denim little babies that I picked up, okay, y'all? Now, as I am talking about each frame, I will pop the name of the actual frame on the screen, okay? Because I'm telling y'all, I got a bunch of glasses, but I don't remember all the names of them. Now, y'all, ain't these cute? These are really, really cute. You can pair them with a denim look. Now, me personally, I love a wide or a medium frame. I can tell you right now that all of my frames are either going to be wide or medium. But honey, this right here, baby. Where y'all going in these glasses, huh? Where you going in them? Super, super cute. And they're really stylish, y'all. Really, really stylish. And this is like a denim material that's actually on here, which I think is super, super, super cute. And I love the arm and detail of them. So y'all let me know what y'all think about those. And our next pair of frames are these little babies right here. These are another denim, you guys. And it's kind of like the whitewash denim right there with the clear handles on them. These are super cute. Okay, let's put them on. Whoa, honey, can you see yourself in an all denim look in this one? You know what? I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. Ashley Stewart's got a set to match these exact glasses. Oh, honey, it's a skirt set, y'all. This right here would be cute with that, ain't it? Let me know in the comments. That skirt set with these glasses, honey, ain't gonna be able to tell you nothing. The whole outfit itself would be a statement, literally from head to toe. These are super cute, y'all. These are another denim pair. I actually did not have any of these in my collection. Here are our next little babies that we picked up from Zeelool. These are our next little babies right here. Super cute, y'all. Let's go ahead and put these on. Right, honey, this is giving, I'm going to the office today. This is what this is giving. This is giving like a really corporate look, like you work in the office and you have to wear those browns and blues and blacks and whites into the office. These glasses, perfect for that type of look and that type of style, honey. Y'all have to let me know, okay? Let me know if that's what y'all are thinking too. But I love these glasses, y'all. I love them. I love them. The detailing, this is what I think I love the most. I love this little cracked detailing on the glasses. But yeah, this is giving, I gotta go into the office and I'm sitting at the computer and I'm working. This is what this is giving. But y'all let me know down in the comments, honey, what y'all think about these frames right here. And I do want to tell y'all that another thing that I love about Zeelool is that for all of my cousins who love Afterpay and Klarna, Or if you have a flex spending account, guess what? You can order your glasses on Zeelool if y'all did not know that. So yes, honey, you can buy now, pay later, or use your flex spending. So that is a bonus. Now these next ones, honey, these is my favorite. I did not have a purple pair of glasses in my collection. Baby, these right here, I think I want to go order some more of these, but get them in. They have a black in these as well. I think these are so cute. I love these. This is one of my favorite pairs that I picked up from Zeelool. But y'all see that? And then it has the gold detailing right here on the side, the little cutout. It reminds me of like a cutout dress. And it has the gold detailing right there on the side. But these are super cute. These are extra wide, y'all. This is like an extra wide frame, which I love the extra wide frame. Because, honey, if y'all don't know nothing else about me, baby, I love me a long eyelash, okay? And my eyelashes have to be able to fit up under my glasses. But these purple ones, y'all let me know what y'all think. I don't know. This is giving artistic. This is what this look is giving. These glasses, I'm giving artistic, like you can put on multiple colors with this look, or even do like a really cute monochromatic look with these purple. Yeah, these are cute. These are super cute, honey, and you styling. Yes, yes, honey, yes, yes, yes. Now, we all know that we need a good pair of black glasses. I'm just cleaning the lenses, y'all. We all know we need a good pair of black glasses. And honey, when I say that I could not pass up these, do y'all see that? That crisscross right there in the middle is super cute. Super, super cute, honey. Her in a high ponytail. I could definitely see your hair being, like my hair is in a ponytail, but I could definitely see your hair being in one of those big boofy like ponytails that kind of sit right here on your shoulder. Honey, and you have these on, and you can put you on an all black look or just a classic black look. And these, honey, it's giving sophistication because I'm sophisticated. That is what this look is giving. It's giving I am sophisticated with these glasses on. Now, of course, the arm on these is not as thick right here, but that's absolutely fine. The arm is not as thick, which is actually perfect for me, but it's giving also cat eye. It's cat eye, honey. Ooh. I'm sophisticated and my lashes got room to breathe too. This is my sophisticated look. Y'all tell me what y'all think. We're gonna talk about another pair of my favorite glasses because I love me some color, y'all. Let's talk about these little babies right here. I was like, oh, when I saw these on the computer, I was like, oh, them is the ones right there. These are the ones. Look at all them colors. It's really like a blue foundation when it comes to the colors, but baby, you can put this with so many outfits. So many outfits. And then I love the gold detailing right here on the side, baby. Who? Huh? These are giving artsy too. These are giving like really, really artsy as well, just because of the colors and then also the shape of the glasses, y'all. If y'all see me kind of looking out, that's because I got a mirror right here, so I'm trying to make sure the glasses and everything is on straight, okay? But y'all let me know what y'all think about these, honey, because we posing. And we are posing. We are posing. Super cute, y'all. Let's move to our next pair. Now here's another colorful pair that I picked up, and it has more of a chrome arm with these, but these are super cute. Another little artsy pair with all of the colors in them. Look at there, y'all. Oh, honey, we're gonna see. We're gonna be cute and we're gonna see. These are super, super cute. Super cute. These are giving I'm going into the office too. These are giving I am working at the front desk in the office and you are talking. Maybe at the school. We work at the school with these glasses. That's where we work. We definitely work at the school with these glasses right here. We checking the kids in as they come in. Yes. Next pair, y'all. I did not have no red frames at all in my collection. No red frames at all. And I saw these and I was like, ooh, I have got to get these to add to my collection. And it is these sweet babies right here. I love this frame, y'all. I love, it's giving peppermints. It's giving, I work for Santa. That's what it's giving. Like, Like the Christmas time glasses. Just this red and white. That's actually what it reminds me of. Now look at there. Tell me he's not cute. Tell me these are not cute. Y'all could definitely rock these glasses. Oh, I don't know what these are giving y'all. Y'all have to let me know in the comments. Where would you see yourself wearing these? Or where would you work if you wore these glasses? Super cute, honey. And we got the pose. And we got to pose. Yes. Here's our next little babies. We picked up these yellow glasses. I actually like this frame right here too. I actually have a pink pair just like this yellow pair. Y'all may have seen me wear them on the channel. But this is giving, I work at the school too. This is giving I'm somebody's teacher. I'm somebody's teacher. And I would actually probably wear a buttered yellow outfit to go with this, because y'all know buttered yellow is actually trending right now as far as one of the trending colors. So these glasses go perfect with the trend. See how I just fit that off in there? That's a little note for y'all, honey. You don't necessarily have to wear the whole color, but you can actually make the trends work for you. And with these glasses, that's exactly what they're doing, honey. We're cute. We are cute. We are cute. And so here's our next pair, y'all. I actually had not tried these on. And these are the crystals. I love a good clear glass, huh? These are clear. The arm is kind of thin and has the gold right here. But these are super, super cute. Let's go ahead and put them on our face. Ooh, come on, somebody. Baby, stop playing with that girl. Stop playing with her. But these are cute too, y'all. Let me know if y'all like these. Let me know if y'all like these. It's giving a little sophistication with the cat eye. But if you know, with these clear glasses, you can wear them literally with anything. Anything you want to wear with these glasses. And that's why I actually got them. Because sometimes, you know, you just run into the store or wherever the case, and you can just pop these on. Instead of always wearing your black glasses, these clear glasses will go with any outfit in your closet. But I love these. Ain't these cute? Now here is another one of my favorites, and that's because it's really just my favorite color. And I had actually been seeing these on the internet all over, and it is these blue babies right here. These blue babies right here. I'm gonna wipe these off again, y'all. But these little blue babies right here, I have been seeing these in so many different colors all across the internet, and I was like, I have got to get me some of these glasses. And so when I did my haul, guess what? I got me some. So let's go ahead and put them on. And this is giving Sunday school teacher. It's giving I'm a Sunday school teacher. I know. That's what these are giving me. But they're so cute. I love the wideness in the frames right here. The wideness of the frame, and then the wideness of the arms, right? Because you want the arm of your glasses to be comfortable. If I can't tell you nothing else, you definitely want the arm of your glasses to be comfortable. But I love this little ombre type feel that it has going on right here with the shades of blue. But blue is actually one of my favorite colors, so I'm loving that. I'm gonna turn it to the side again so that y'all can see, and then I'll put it back on, honey, because I need to pose. Y'all have to let me know, what do you guys think? How do you guys feel? Here is another one of my faves too, y'all. I'm actually going to go back and order these little babies. They have a silver. I'm trying to get it to focus on the camera. I have them in gold, but they actually have the silver rhinestones, and I think these are just super cute. Super, super cute. These little babies right here. So we're gonna put them on, and y'all have probably actually seen me wear these on the channel. So I think these are darling, super cute glasses right here. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But yes, I'm definitely going to go and get the silver rhinestones. I love anything that's a statement piece, that's going to sparkle, that's going to come out, that's going to make me stand out if I am out. So that's just me, and I think these are super cute. These you can definitely wear like brunch, going out, really wherever, because the glasses itself is going to help bring out your outfit. So y'all let me know, honey, what y'all think about these. Yeah. You know how I feel about cheetah in prints, huh? Okay, so I did get some cheetah print glasses because I did not have any. And these are also giving teacher, Sunday school, because of the frame is so wide on these. I'm just gonna clean them off, child. I don't want y'all talking about me. I don't want y'all talking about me. But super cute. Super cute. Wide arm, which we love, And these can definitely pair with any outfit. Here we go. What is that cartoon character is giving? I can't think. The cartoon character, she be wearing glasses like this, y'all. She be wearing her glasses like these. But ain't these cute? Mm-hmm. Yeah. These are definitely statement pieces. Like, if you have on a suit, put you on a suit. It don't matter what color suit that you put on. It can be green, it can be blue, it can be orange, it can be black, it can be white. And then you throw on these leopard glasses. What? I'm just saying. You can put you on a leopard cami to go in and help bring out the glasses. Like, I just matched the whole outfit together in my head wearing these glasses because you can definitely do that. See? Bam. Right there. Super cute. But I forget the cartoon character, and she wear wide glasses just like this. And we are coming up on what I call the cow print. That's what they remind me of when I looked at them online. But I was like, these are so cute. These cow printed glasses, they're actually black and white with a black arm, wide black arm, which I absolutely love for extra comfort. And I don't know if y'all can actually see that on camera, but there is actually some detailing in this arm right here, which is super cute. But we're gonna go ahead and pop these on, honey. We are here. Oh, come on, somebody. Come on, somebody. Yes, because we cute out here in these streets. Yes, we is. We accessorize everything. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Here is another pair. These little babies right here. And these have pink and brown and blue and tans off in these with the gold detailing right there. Come on. So you have to be a glasses person, honey. If you don't wear glasses, then you're not going to understand. Because don't nobody want to walk around in them little flimsy little glasses they be trying to give you at the doctor's office. Y'all tell me what y'all think with these. These right here is giving I'm a school teacher too. These is giving I work at somebody's school. But they also give fall too. They give fall vibes as well. Super cute. Let me pose for the camera. Let me pose for the camera. One more time. These are really, really cute, y'all. Okay, cousins, that is our full Zeelool haul of all of the frames that I actually went and purchased. Do not forget, you can go on to Zeelool, put in your prescription, pick how fast you want these to come to you guys because they did up the shipping time frames, which I absolutely love. If you need to use Afterpay or Klarna or your Flex spending account, you can definitely go in and do that. So if you are like me, honey, and you cannot see in real life, go and grab you a couple of pair of stylish frames to add to your current collection, or either if you are new to wearing glasses, because why? Accessories definitely matter when it comes to styling yourself, honey. And we get dressed from head all the way to toe, and glasses are definitely included. Okay, cousins, so thank y'all so much for watching the video, honey. And as I tell y'all all the time, honey, baby, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, honey, and make sure that you do what? Make sure that you own it.